In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red eye in Luminar Neo. Red eye happens when a camera flash reflects off the back of the eye, and it can be distracting even in an otherwise great photo. The good news is that Luminar Neo makes this fix quick and precise, and the process is fully non-destructive, so you can fine-tune it anytime. Start by opening Luminar Neo and loading the photo you want to correct. Once it's on your screen, switch to the editing workspace by clicking Edit, or press the E key if you prefer using shortcuts. This puts all the correction tools at your fingertips on the right-hand panel so you can focus on the image while making adjustments. Next, locate the tool designed for this job. In the Tool panel, open the Creative section, then choose Face AI. Inside Face AI, find the Eyes controls. Luminar Neo includes a dedicated red eye removal slider within this eyes area, and it's designed to detect and neutralize red tones in the pupils without affecting the rest of the image. Now remove the red eye. Find the red eye removal slider and move it slowly to the right. Work in small increments and watch the eyes as you go. You're looking for the red color to fade naturally while keeping the pupils and irises clear. If you push the slider too far, the eyes can start to look flat or overly dark, so ease it back until the result feels realistic. Subtle adjustments usually deliver the best outcome. Take a moment to check both eyes carefully. If the subject is small in the frame, zoom in so you can evaluate the detail more precisely. Look for clean, neutral pupils, intact catchlights, and irises that still show their natural color and texture. If one eye had stronger red eye than the other, you might need to nudge the slider slightly again to balance the look. The goal is a consistent, natural appearance across both eyes, without any gray haze or harsh edges. When you're happy, give the image a final glance at normal viewing size to confirm it still looks natural from a distance. Because this edit is non-destructive, you can always return to Face AI and tweak the red eye removal slider later if needed. With just these simple adjustments, you can restore a polished, lifelike look to your portraits and keep the viewer's attention where it belongs, on expression and story, not on a distracting red flash reflection.